Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. So this video is actually going to be quite different. I'm going to be unboxing this selfie stick I'm actually using. I made the purchase of the selfie stick on Jumia on the 2nd of December, and then it was delivered on the 13th of December, and I made a pickup on the 14th of December. So I'll actually be unboxing this selfie stick and then give you guys my honest review on the product. So keep watching till the end. So this is actually how the package came in. So I'll just go ahead and open it up to see what is inside. So I opened the whole thing up, and then what I saw was a carton and then the receipts that I made the purchase. So the selfie stick cost about 3,800 naira, and then delivery fee 1,020 naira to Jos, so making a total of 4,820 naira. So I went ahead to open the carton that has the selfie stick. So I open it up and then remove it out of the carton. And yeah, you guys, I was actually excited at this point to see the tripod. So you see, you can use it vertically or horizontally if you want to place your phone, anyhow you want to place your phone. And it also has this Bluetooth control, this remote control that you can use and take your pictures with and videos as well. And this was the point. At this point I was trying to figure out how I'll stretch it to open it up, but because I've not had this kind of experience before, it was hard for me to figure it out. But at the end of the day, I had to do something, just figure something out, and then I was able to remove it, to stretch it and extend the tripod. And then at the upper side where the phone holds can actually extend. It has this phone holder at the upper side and it can bend. And after making so many attempts, I was able to figure out how to open this tripod stand from the downside. So from this place that holds the Bluetooth control is actually the place that also holds the tripod. So I was able to take it up and then the whole thing went down. So at this point I was just trying to see if the tripod would actually stand, but it was not standing the way it was facing, the direction it was facing. So I was trying to figure out if I can turn it, or there is a way I can do it to turn it the other way around to stand, but it did not happen, you guys. It did not happen because it's facing up. You see the direction that the tripod is facing, it will not be able to stand on its own like that. So I tried to read the instructions back on the carton, but it still did not work for me, you guys. But the good thing about it is that I don't necessarily need the tripod to stand. Okay, I just need the selfie, the Bluetooth to work, so that I'll be able to take all my videos and my pictures. So guys, this is actually the unboxing of this tripod. So my next clip is going to be about using the tripod and then giving my honest review about it. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is the tripod I unboxed yesterday, and it's actually okay. The upper part is holding it, it's okay, but the remote control is not working. So like now, if I want to take pictures, there's no way I will take it because like far from me, and then I cannot use my hand to take it close to take the pictures. So yeah, I think the remote control is not working. I think maybe it's the battery. I will check it. Maybe I'll buy a new one and fix it. And the tripod is not standing. The downside is not standing at all. I actually checked some YouTube videos yesterday, and some of them are quite different. You understand? Some are quite different. They are facing down, but this one is facing up, and it cannot stand the way it is. But apart from the two complaints that I have, every other thing is okay. It's fine. It's strong, actually. Yeah. So you guys will be seeing more of vlogs on this channel, like sewing vlogs and some personal vlogs. Not much, okay? I'm kind of shy. I'm camera shy. I don't actually like showing my face on this channel. So I'm just trying. I just want to try to be putting my face here, myself here more often, okay? So yes, turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified anytime I upload a video and my vlogs, okay? So thank you, you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for subscribing, for those of you who have subscribed to my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.